Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 5980. This ran from 08 2009 to 04 2015. It has a 4D 56 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4D 56 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, 3 dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front headlight with sun cracks. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, 3 dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory single stack CD player stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.